Hello, students. I have already explained the poem The Dust of Snow composed by Robert Frost, but this video is quite different. Actually, the two poems of Robert Frost, Dust of Snow, and the another one is Fire and Ice. These two poems are highly symbolic, and I want to share notes of mine with you all because you may not be able to write the correct content that is required into it. So I'm going to dictate it. Please pause the video and write it down sincerely. See, if the examiner asks you about the theme or the central idea of the poem, you should start your answer in this way. The poetry of Robert Frost often features the landscape of his home, that is, New England. A part of this landscape is quite hilly and covered by trees such as hemlock. During the winter, the weather condition is very harsh and it is unpleasant to go out. However, the snow is also beautiful to watch. Hence, life in New England has both positive and negative aspects. This is echoed in the two moods of the poet that we see in this poem. And in this way, you should finish up your introduction part, and later on, you should write the heading symbolism. That is very important in this poem. I'm going to dictate, pause the video, and then write it down. You should write symbolism heading, and then the poet introduces us to the symbol of the hemlock tree. As we know, hemlock is the name of the poison that was used to kill Socrates. Socrates was a philosopher. You should put full stop over there, and after that, hence, the hemlock tree from which the poison is said to be made is a symbol of death. Walking by the hemlock tree, it could in fact have seemed like an ill omen to the poet and could have upset him further on this unpleasant day. The next symbol that the poet used is crow. Generally, the crow is considered to be the ugliest among all birds. Hence, it could be another sight to degrade the poet's mood once again. Suddenly, by the shower of snow, the poet's mood gets improved. This is to state that even something that one usually associates with negativity can have a positive impact also. The tone of Dust of Snow is light and cheerful. If you write this much content and if you quote few lines from the textbook, for sure you will get good marks in your examination. I hope I have achieved the desire to help you all. Thank you so much for watching this, and if you like this video, please comment and tell me.